This week we are putting a new high clearance rear bumper with the tire swing out on the truck. So let's get into it. We're gonna cut the bed off. No, we're not. We're gonna cut some of it off. We've got it pretty darn close to where I can tack on the rest of the bumpers. So, next step. My hair!
That's why I wear a hat, bro.
It ain't going anywhere. Is that legal?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm legal. It's day 2, and our goal today is to get everything tack welded and start welding the bumpers. So, right now we have the main frame tack welded onto the truck. It is removable by bolts, and yeah, let's do it. Special thanks to Fast Track Overland. Gear I use: Cascadia Vehicle Tents, Prince Who Roof Rack Designs, Rome Adventure Company, Baja Design Lighting, Northwest Trail Innovations, Midland Radios, Renogy Solar Systems, RCI Off-Road Bed Racks, Rotopax Recovery, Dometic Coolers, Max Trax Recovery, and Coastal Off-Road. If you would like to purchase any Eagles Overlanding merchandise, visit longcreekoverland.com.